Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title of this video, we are doing another maintenance vlog, but we're gonna be doing a little bit more of like hygiene maintenance. I am just outside of my new dentist office. It is called Dentistry 32. It's my first time being here as a patient, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me with my entire teeth journey. We're gonna be starting like Invisalign. The doctor and I have a lot of plans to fix my smile. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys know that my smile is probably the one thing that I just don't really love about myself. Everything else though is 10 out of 10. Let's just be real. I'm gonna let you guys know like how the experience is and like how everything went for me. So anyways, I'm gonna run in there. I'm gonna be doing cleaning. We're gonna do some x-rays. We're gonna do a lot of stuff. So the appointment's gonna be a little bit longer. Anyways, I'm gonna run in there right now.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider.
So we're here, I'm just waiting to start my dental journey. We're gonna go over a couple things on what we're gonna do and how we're gonna fix my smile. I'm also gonna get a cleaning, x-rays, and yeah.
Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close?
So, the bottom teeth are quite nice and straight, so you can easily see like the angulation of the two front teeth, how they're like the body of them, so they don't have the curvature. So if they had that curvature needed in order for it to be straight in the line like that, okay, so if we had that curvature that would bring it in,
Yeah.
then it would be all done. Pretty perfect, but because they're not curved and they don't have the harmony in the smile on the side as well, they're standing out. That's why it gives you that Bugs Bunny feel.
Okay guys, we just finished up. Oh my gosh, that was honestly the longest appointment ever. Definitely getting my teeth cleaned was mandatory for my hygiene because I needed that real bad. I'm so excited to start my teeth journey, you guys. Like, you guys don't even understand. I have had a problem with my smile for a very long time, and I'm just excited to start Invisalign and just do all the things that I've been wanting to do that I just haven't found the perfect dentist to do that with. The doctor here is just so amazing. So Sarush is the one that took care of me. I don't know how to say his last name, so I apologize. He is honestly so good at his job, and I think he truly understands what I want in terms of the smile that I want, how I want my teeth to look. So him and I are going to be doing this whole journey together, and I'm so freaking excited, you guys. I am starving to drive home right now. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is about 11:30 right now. I am just leaving the gym. I am going for my haircut. I usually get my haircut every 3 months. Like, I've never dyed my hair before. Normally, I just get my haircut every 3 months. My hair is super healthy. So my appointment is at 12:30, but I wanted to give myself some time to grab Starbucks on the way, which there's literally a Starbucks in this plaza right behind me. So I'm gonna go in there. Oh my God, you guys, the weather is so nice. I love when it's chilly like this. There's like peaks of sun. Oh, this is my favorite weather of all time. I'm gonna order this on my phone just because I've been doing it off the app. It's so easy. You literally just say, hey, I have like an online order, and like they already have the order ready for you. I don't know if I should get some food as well. Okay, I'm gonna order my favorite iced caramel macchiato. It's a skinny iced caramel macchiato, actually. I still don't have a very good car tripod, so if my camera goes flying, you guys, I really tried. Never actually been to the Starbucks, which is really weird. Hi, I just have an online order for sayeh. Thank you. I'm obsessed with coffee, you guys. I used to never drink coffee when I was younger, and I guess when you get older, you're just like, I'm a coffee drinker now. Hi. Thank you. I actually ordered a sandwich too. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, no worries. Thank you so much. No worries. You too.
Drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone.
Hey you guys, we just finished up. I just walked down to my car. This is the haircut. Honestly, I don't do anything super crazy. Like, I just get a cut and a blowout, and that is basically it. Rachel kills it every single time. If you guys are in Vancouver, definitely check out Style Lab in Cole Harbour and ask for Rachel because she is literally the best. Ooh, every time I get my haircut, I swear I always just want to leave it down. I am literally about to go hygiene shopping, self-care shopping. I have not done this for a hot minute and I was kind of putting it off because I wanted to save it for this video. I actually went to the nail salon like 2 days ago and I was like, okay, I'm gonna vlog it for the maintenance vlog, and I forgot my camera at home. And I was like so irritated and I was like, oh my gosh. I always add my nail appointments in my maintenance vlogs, but honestly, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it out for this video. We got French as always. I mean, it's always the same thing. So I mean, like, I don't really get any designs or anything like that. I am desperate need of like self-care products. I've run out of basically everything, like shampoo, conditioner, razors, tampons. I got a list. Let me read it to you guys. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, tampons, Vagisil, foundation, lipstick, gel, hairspray. That's all I have in my notes, but I'm pretty sure I need to get razors. I need shaving cream. I just need a lot. So I'm probably gonna have to spend quite a bit of money this time around. I honestly love doing this though, because it just gets me in the mood. Later on tonight, I'm gonna do my whole self-care routine. Obviously take you guys through that with me, but right now we're just gonna run into Walmart.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn.
Okay guys, so I just finished up. I dead ass spent $132. This shit is expensive, y'all. Like, it doesn't even matter where you go at this point. Like, it's just expensive. I'm gonna do my little car haul like I do every single time I buy self-care products. First thing we got is a body wash. They didn't have the Dove one that I always get. I don't know why. It had like, I don't know, it was like silky, more in like a lotion form, and it said body wash, and I don't really like those. Ended up getting the Olay one, and I used to love this body wash. We got some tampons as usual. I usually get the regular and the sport one. The next product we got is the Tresemme hairspray. I honestly wasn't really running too low on this, but I was like, you know what? I'm here anyways. I'm just gonna re-up on it. So this is the hairspray that I just love. I always get the extra hold, you guys. Like, I just love having my hair stay the way it's supposed to stay, like when I style it. We got the Eco Argan Oil Styling Gel. My boyfriend and I use this all the time. He uses it for his hair. I use it when I do like my sleek back hairs. But honestly, I don't know what's going on here, but like, there's just a little bit of hair that just doesn't gel back. So I need to like see if I can find one of those gel sticks that have, it almost looks like a deodorant stick. Does that make sense? Like you just kind of put it on your hair and it's almost like a roller applicator. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. We got some razors. I don't really mind which razors I use, but the ones that I used before were absolutely trash. So I got one that was just a little bit more high quality and obviously more expensive. Thank you so much. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that I have like sugar scrubs. I have 2 different sugar scrubs that I just absolutely love right now. When I really want to just exfoliate, and sometimes I like to exfoliate to get all of my self tanner off before I apply it, because sometimes it's like uneven or like it's faded in places and other places it has not. So I just kind of have to like exfoliate everything top to bottom. So I really love using the Dove body scrub. I think they changed the packaging. This is the brown sugar and coconut butter. This just smells, oh my freaking god. And someone in my comments was like, oh, like that reminds me of sandpaper. I totally agree with you. I really do. But it just gets the job done better than the sugar scrubs. I feel like the sugar scrubs don't really get that deep clean that I need sometimes. So I like to have both. So that's the one that I got. And I've been using that for a hot minute, probably for about a year now. Did end up grabbing some Vagisil. This is so important in my hygiene routine, you guys. I actually haven't had it for quite some time. So I just definitely needed to re-up on it, because the last couple times I've been going into the store, they've been sold out, or like they just don't have the scents that I like. This one is the white jasmine, and it's really good for pH balance, you know, just to obviously wash your girl down there, because you definitely need to be doing that. And I don't recommend using like a body wash to do that. Something that is more of like a feminine hygiene wash is more suitable for stuff like that. I needed some shampoo and conditioner, and I've been waiting way too long to get this. I did see that they had the Argan Oil of Morocco, and this is by OGX. I don't know if you guys have seen in my last videos, I was using the OGX coconut milk. The one thing about that is the scent just wasn't scenting for me. Like I like to have products that smell super great and give that like, wow, your hair smells like fantastic right now. So this is the one that we got. So this is the Argan Oil of Morocco, and this is by OGX. And to match it, my boyfriend actually has the oil version, but I ended up buying the dry oil mist, and this is by the same brand, OGX, and this is the Argan Oil of Morocco. And I just love smelling my hair when it has this product on it. For the shampoo, we got the shampoo and the conditioner. I really like to get the matching ones all the time. I just feel like that's kind of how you have to do it. Lastly, I needed some new makeup. I do get a lot of makeup in PR, foundations, concealers. I get a lot of like bronzers and stuff, but like just my regular go-to products that sometimes like I just love to use is definitely Maybelline. Like Maybelline has been my OG forever. Lately, using this foundation day in and day out. This is the Super Stay Activewear by Maybelline. This is in 310 Sun Beige. You guys, I wear like exactly what I'm wearing right now. I wear this makeup at like 7 in the morning to the gym. I shower. Obviously, I don't wash my face in the shower. I run errands. I literally do everything from like 7 in the morning until like 10 at night, and my face is still intact. So that should honestly tell you that this is so worth it. It's honestly not even that expensive. I think it's like $15. It's under $20. It is full coverage, and I love a full coverage foundation. Not because I want to hide my skin and I have like acne. I just love that flawless sort of look. I did need a new lipstick. So this is the Maybelline 920 Nude Lust lipstick, and it comes in a little bottle like this. I don't know what it is about this, but like I'm wearing it on my lips right now, like whatever I had left. It is just that perfect everyday lightweight lipstick that just every single girl needs. So this is the shade. It is just that beautiful nude shade, that the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and it is just that gloss, like, because I am a gloss girl now. It just has that beautiful glossy texture to it, and it's like rich. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to do my makeup tomorrow. You guys don't even know. That is what $130 costed me. Like, oh my gosh, things are so expensive. I just can't even believe it right now. That was my little mini Walmart haul.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. Things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you will listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah.
That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one.